Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the coolest lens covers yet. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Travis and I love to film videos of unboxing cool new things for filmmaking equipment. I also like to film videos of DIY projects that I do around the house. If I ever go someplace cool, I'm gonna film about that too. And when I find some cool new methods to edit using Adobe Premiere Elements, I'm gonna make a tutorial video about those and put them on the channel too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you take some time, head down below, smash that subscribe button. Now for today's video. These are absolutely the coolest lens caps that I have ever seen. I grabbed them from Amazon. I've seen quite a few people in the field using them and I've always wanted to get myself a set. So what's inside here are the Holoca camera lens caps. So let's have a look. And there was a super awesome deal on Amazon for a 200 gigabyte SanDisk card, so I got one of those as well. And then in this little box here are the Silicone Holoca lens caps. So there's quite a few reasons that I wanted to pick these up. One of the main ones is if you have a leash on your lens cap and you take your lens cap off and the leash holds it so you don't lose it, plastic lens cap is now banging around and it's just making for horrible video. Might be fine for a photographer, but when you're trying to film a vlog, it definitely makes a difference if they're not banging against the camera. So, silicone will not make any noise or very little noise compared to a plastic lens cover. So that's reason number one that I decided to give these a shot. And the other reason is they're stretchable. So I keep my lens hoods on all of my lenses. Main reason is just to protect a lens. The other reason is the lens has a specific hood, so I want to keep them all together, and one of the easiest ways to do that is to keep it on the lens. You can sometimes flip them backwards, like in this case here. You can turn it around and there it's flipped backwards, but it's still on there. In the forward position, there you go. So even when it is on, you can use these covers. So let's have a look. So inside this tiny little box should be two Holoca silicone lens covers along with leashes. So these are your leashes that you get. Actually very nice. Super nice. Have a look at that there. That is the wrist leash, I think, yeah. Or the, well, any kind of leash really. This is the elastic leash that goes around your lens. To be honest, I'm not sure what these leashes are, but they're really nice. Nice that they came with two. These are your lens covers right here. So the way that these work is you're just going to take your camera like this. You're going to take this guy here, you're going to turn it inside out, okay? You're going to place this over your lens like so, and flip down the sides. So instantly there, you have a protected lens with the hood. Okay, so have a look here. Protected with the hood on. Okay, and then when you want to remove these, really easy. You just peel it back, and there you are, you're ready to shoot. So awesome. And I even have on this lens here, this is my 72, which also has the hood on it. Let's just have a look. Well, I don't think it's gonna fit with the hood. Let's try without. We will flip the hood around, like so. And I'm probably damaging my Rode microphone. There we go, flipped. And boom! They even work on the 72. I could definitely get that a little bit more centered and looking nicer. Here, let's try one more time. just gonna do this over here so I don't damage my mic. Boom. Fits on the large vlogging lens that I have on here, which is the 10-20 millimeter. And with the 10-20 millimeter, it also I think is a 72 millimeter filter. So confirmed that, confirmed that it will work on the 10-20 with a 72 millimeter diameter. Yeah, 72 says right on the lens. So these will even work on a 72 millimeter diameter lens. So I put the direct link in the description below. Pick these up, super awesome. All right, that's all I've got for today. So make sure you head down below, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, take it easy out there.